Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Here we have today my stunning new Benelli 252C Electronica. That's the one fitted with electronic ignition. It is March 1981 and it has been fully restored. Very rare bike indeed. It's just absolutely glorious in every way. I'll just spin round to show you the bike. Stainless spokes, new chrome rims, brand new paintwork, which is all done by hand. Beautifully done. Finish is just insane. Very, very shiny indeed. Having covered only 8,178 miles from new, or maybe kilometers actually. It's a UK bike from new and only had 3 previous owners. The bike comes complete with the original purchase invoice. How rare is that? It's just stunning. These bikes are absolutely awesome. Just slightly different to the RD250 or the GT250 from Suzuki. They're lightweight, easy to maneuver a bike and very, very fast. Nice little touch is the seat, which actually lifts up. I can do it holding the iPad. There we go. That's quite a nice little touch. I'll fire it up to let you hear it. The keys there. See neutral. Usually starts first kick.